Everyone is just going crazy these days. It's like the end of the world.
If you make a promise to yourself, you have to keep it no matter what.
Some people believe in God, I believe in music. You know, some people pray, I turn up the radio.
Music makes the world go round, and for me, if it wasn't around right now, I wouldn't be around right now. Music is everything to me. That's all I can say.
There's so many moments you could share with anyone, someone, and you just feel like that moment will last forever when it's only a night, it's only a moment.
Fate has its tricky ways of throwing something in front of you you've never expected.
My philosophy in life is don't regret anything